Hi, today we are going to try to combine few data into one Excel file. I have on my left, I have data1 Excel file. It has the product ID, it has A1, B2, and C3. Meanwhile, on my left, it has D4, E5, and F6. I want to join them together so that I have my raw data reside in the two different Excel files. As the times comes, I still can maintain them individually and refresh in my Excel file. Let's go to my Excel file. I have it here. At first, I want to the approach we are using is we are not using any macro. We are just using PowerPivot way of doing things. If you are using Excel 2010, you are able to download the PowerPivot add-in from Microsoft website. Alternatively, if you are using Excel 2013, there are information on how to enable PowerPivot add-in online. So let's go to a data ribbon. We go to the connection in here. I don't see any connection here. This is workbook connections. It means this Excel file, it doesn't have anything connecting to any external files. I go to the add, and you see triple dots, add. Previously, I don't use any connection in my network, either in this computer as well. Therefore, I go to the bottom, browse for more. Browse for more. I go to the file where I reside. I can see data1. I just open it. This is sheet 1 with a dollar sign. This is the sheet name. If let's say we go to data1, currently we are not able to go there. It's a sheet 1 with a dollar sign. Remember to click first row of data contains column headers. Once you are done, you hit OK. You can see this is the workbook connection. I hit close. Now I go to PowerPivot. I go to leftmost button, manage. In the manage, I want to open existing connections. You can open it from the PowerPivot data connection, or if I use any connection, it will be save a copy. We call it local connections. Or you are from this Excel file, it's called workbook connections. We want to use workbook connections. So we select this one, call it data1. I hit open. These are the connection string. And alternatively, you can hit test connection. It should work perfectly. Now we will go to next. So you'll see everything here. I go and preview and filter. I want to select all the data, all the columns available in the data1 Excel file. I go to finish. So wait for a while. You will see nothing is appearing. That's perfectly okay. You go to design, go to table properties. You see none of them is selected. Just select the one on the leftmost column. Click, hit save. It should bring all the data here. This is only happens once in a while. The PowerPivot doesn't recognize some of the actions we do. Now we have the part 1, data 1 in the PowerPivot. Now we want to use to bring the data from data to Excel file in here so that we are able to do some aggregation in our arithmetic or in our pivot table. I go to the table properties. Table properties, can you see the switch to? By default is the table preview. This is only enabled when we are using workbook connection. If we are using PowerPivot connection, this will not be available. Then we go to query editor. You can see it is a standard SQL statement. This is select the table name. Asterisk means everything from the table or from the worksheet. Now I go and copy from my command and I paste it here to shorten the time of typing, and I will explain what does that mean. This is union all. Union all means it will combine everything together and it will accept any duplicates. If you want Unix value only, you just union will do. Now we just continue. Select asterisk from from this is my file name, the actual location. Remember, this is not single apostrophe. This is on the other side of the apostrophe, which is leaning to diagonally from left to right, from left to right. And this is a normal apostrophe we use. It is vertical. If we use this single apostrophe, it will not be able to work. PowerPivot will complain it doesn't recognize the syntax. If let's say we change this one to the sliding apostrophe or single quote, we try to validate again. Yes, it works. This is the actual file we are using. Remember, this must be the full path. If let's say you are in one day you are changing to a different location, remember come back to change here. Now I have the sheet 1 as well. Because I am using the same name. Once done, I hit save. Now PowerPivot will bring all the data here. Isn't it nice? We have everything here. With the data here, we can go and continue to create a pivot table based on this PowerPivot data. Let's see. If let's say I have a change on the data 2, I added H7. I type product H7. I hit enter. Now I go back to PowerPivot. I try to refresh it. See what will happen. I refresh. We refresh everything. Close. Yes, it brings me the H7. This is how we can get the data linked from the Excel without using macro, and the data raw source still stays outside of my original, still stay inside my original file. Hope this helps. Have a nice day.